Hey learners, hope you all are doing well, and I'm sure you all are taking care of yourself. In the past, I had created one video on what is IDE and the famous Python IDEs, and in that, I'd shown you one installation of one Python IDE that is PyCharm. Now today I have come with similar installation video of Visual Studio Code. This is one more IDE provided for Python. Visual Studio Code is a free and open source IDE that is integrated development environment. If you are not aware about what is IDE, please watch my previous video. Created by Microsoft that can be used with a variety of programming languages, including Java, JavaScript, Go, Node.js, and C++. Visual Studio Code can be used for Python development as well. But by default, it's not meant for Python. You can add an extension of Python and then you can use Visual Studio Code for Python development also. That's what today I'm going to show you how to download, load, and how to add this Python extension. You can add extensions to create Python development as per your need in Visual Studio Code. It provides features such as intelligent code completion, linting for potential errors, because of which your lot of typing errors reduce, and ultimately the compiler, that is your Python interpreter work, also reduces. Debugging, unit testing, and so on. Visual Studio Code is lightweight and packed with powerful features. This is the reason why it's becoming popular among Python developers. So without wasting time, let's see how to install it. First, we will go to the browser. I'll enter download Visual Studio Code. You can see you'll get first result, right? Then whichever you want. That is for Windows, I'll use installer 64-bit. Now it will start downloading it. The download process will take some time. Guys, you can see the download is complete. I'll click on that exe, click run. Okay. I'll accept agreement. I accept the agreement. Next, it is telling you where it is going to get installed. Then it is also telling you by what name the entry will be done in this program files. Then next, I'll click on all these icons. Next, install. Now this installation process is going on. Finish. Now we'll start this Visual Studio Code. You can see new window. Now first time when you have installed it, many language extensions are not added. So you can see here extensions. Click on it. It will list the popular extensions which you want to install in this. Like in this editor, I can compile C++ program, Python, and many more. and some are standard, which are by default given. So I want Python extension. So I'll select that and install. Now it will take time to do Python extension installation. But once that is done, you'll be able to now run Python scripts also in this Visual Studio Code editor. Now you can see this Python extension is installed. If you want to uninstall, you can click uninstall or temporarily disable also. Now let's continue creating some Python file and run it from this editor. I'll create new file, give the extension to it. So we'll save it. When you'll save, wherever you save it, just don't forget to select the type of your file. I'll save it in Learn Python folder. Now I'll select the type of file. Now the type of file is Python. Save. It is getting saved with untitled one only, but with the extension .py. If you want, you can change its name also. Save as, and I'll give name A. Is it already present? I'll give name as test. Okay, and let's run some sample code in this Visual Studio Code editor. For example, I'm writing for I in range, passing 5 to it, and then in print statement I'm writing hello world. Now this will display 5 times. Now here there is a run button. Click on it. The script will get executed in the terminal and it is showing you the output. I hope will show you the output. I hope you have enjoyed this installation process. Please install it in your machine and try to run some Python codes in this IDE as well. As always, keep learning, keep evolving. Don't forget to click on the bell icon. Please subscribe our channel, share it with your friends, and don't forget to like, comment. Thank you.